Hello guys, so today we have a new product from ULANZI. So we have here the ULANZI BH-12 rotating platform. Yeah, BH-12 rotating platform. So it's good for product, video and time lapse, time lapse, but for mostly for product photography and video. So and it takes 360 degrees. So and you have already your holder, and it can load up to 3 kilos or 6 pounds of camera. The item, I think, is strong enough. Any item that you can put. But again, it comes already with a um, block, okay, ito, background. So, yeah, again, and we will try and I will show you the result using this ULANZI BH-12 rotating platform. And so we will use also our camera, the Sony CV1. And let's take some sample shots using this ULANZI VH12 rotating 360 rotating platform. So again, if you are looking for a 360 platform, so you can use this one, guys. It's good for your products. And yeah. Again, let's try now to use this ULANZI VH12 platform 360 degrees platform. And again, so that's it for today, guys. Again, if you want to have a 360 platform, you can check this product, the ULANZI PH-12 for your 360 rotating platform, your product photography or video. So that's it for today, guys. If you want to check the price and availability of this ULANZI 360 platform, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. All the ULANZI product also in our website. So yan, hanggang dito lang again. Thank you and mabuhay.